Good morning, sir. My name is Romel Ogok, and now I will be talking about IMO. So before I start, let me first define what is seafarer. What a seafarer is. Seafarer are the people who work aboard in watercraft as part of crew and may work in any of a number of different fields that are related to the operation and maintenance of a ship. So basically, there are the one who brings the and receive the goods that imported to them. They are also sometimes the responsible if there's defects on the maintenance of the ship. So explain how IMO may help with the following. So the IMO, or International Marine Organization, is a big help, especially on seafarer, because they are one who assure the safety of transaction in seafarer. So especially when it talks about safety and health, especially now that we're facing a pandemic. So seafarers work. So it is very evident that being a seafarer is really a life and death kind of work. That's why the IMO is very on hand for them to assure the safety of the workers. So safety and health. So what was I read, their work is very risky. So therefore, their health must be the priority of the government. They should ensure medical care without delay, especially when they're on board. It is very difficult if there's no rescue coming for them quickly, and it can possibly put their lives into danger. So, uh, what is seafarer? A person who regularly travels by sea, a sailor. So before we proceed to the answer, let me first identify marine environment and why they important. So the marine environment, or several types of marine ecosystem, are largely agreed on: salt marshes, mangrove forests, coral reefs, the open ocean, and the deep sea ocean. It is important simply because it is support diverse range of sea life. That it is important for global biodiversity. A health marine environment supports our cultural and social well-being, and the ocean's resources contribute to our economy. Traditionally, the sea provided transport and a way to trade with other tribes. So therefore, we should take good care on it. So it says here, uh, a significant step has been made to protect seafarers' health and safety amid the COVID-19 pandemic. With IMO Secretary General Kitak claims endorsement of series of recommendations designed to ensure seafarers can assist medical care assure quickly and safely. Receiving medical care assure can be a matter of life or death for seafarers who falling while working on ships. But since the beginning of the pandemic, there have been cases of seafaring being denied permission to go ashore, even when they presented medical issues that were life-threatening but not related to COVID-19, including a stroke. Prompt and efficient disembarkation of seafarers to receive medical care assured, and it's essential not only for the seafarers' health but also for the maintenance of the global supply chain. Due to the COVID-19 related restriction, ships have faced difficulties arranging for such disembarkation, causing delays or disrupting to their operations and potential danger to the seafarers themselves. Um, Seafarers are the heart of everything IMO. Seafarers are at the heart of everything IMO does. In the darkness hours of the pandemic, they have been selflessly delivering the goods we all need, but their own health and well-being are as important as of anyone else. Now is time for government around the world to deliver seafarers by ensuring they can assist medical care without delay whenever it need. Mr. Lim said. In what IMO help preserve the marine environment? The world oceans are one of our planet's most valuable environment resources. Seas cover around 70% of the world's surface, providing raw materials, energy, food, employment, a place to live, a place to relax, and the means to transport more than 80% of global trade by volume. Shipping is a key user of the oceans, delivering essentials, goods, and commodities, taking ferry passengers to their destination and carry millions of tourists on cruises. IMO has over many decades developed and adopted mandatory rules as well as recommendations and guidelines to protect the marine environment from any potential negative impact of shipping activities. One of the convention's protection and the ocean is the International Convention for the Prevention of Pollution from Ships, MARPOL. MARPOL was first adopted in 1973 with annexes covering the prevention of pollution from ships by oil, by chemicals carried in bulk, by packaged goods, by sewage and garbage from ships. The convention was expanded in 1997 to regulate air pollution and emissions for ships. So other IMO treaties cover all pollution preparedness, response and cooperation, control of harmful anti-fouling system on ships, preventing of the potentially devastating effects of the spread invasive harmful aquatic organism carried by ships, ballast, water, and safe and environment sounds carrying of the ships. So to name just a few, and just as the how ocean are linked to coastal and land activities, IMO's work to protect our ocean goes beyond the ships by regulating the prevention of pollution by dumping at wastes at sea, including climate change mitigation options such as carbon capture and storage. This is done through two treaties known as the London Convention and Protocol. So recently, IMO has been enhancing its work on climate change mitigations and reductions emissions from ships, which will contribute to reducing ocean acidification. IMO is also working to reduce marine plastic litter and to mitigate against invasive aquatic species. IMO also works to protect marine mammals from ship strikes and reduce underwater noise from ships. So, protecting marine biodiversity, IMO works to support marine biodiversity, includes measures to prevent the spread of potential invasive aquatic organisms. So, coordination and collaboration is key in all ocean matters. IMO is the secretariat for the joint group of experts on the scientific aspect of marine environment protection, GSAMP, which is an interagency mechanism providing independent scientific advice to its 10 sponsoring on organizations. IMO is also playing on an active role in other environment cooperation mechanism in the UN such as Oceans and the UN Environment Management Group, UNEMG. But we people must keep in mind that we can also help in preserving the marine environment, even just a small ways, by not throwing garbage in the ocean, especially plastics. We should avoid using dynamite so that we cannot harm the resources on the ocean such as coral reefs and fishes. So that would be all. Thank you.